For phonics today, we are working on I can read PH words. Remember, PH is a digraph and it makes the sound f. So let's take a look at your activity. You are supposed to drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. So your job is to read these 8 words and then drag and drop the matching picture. So let's identify what the pictures are. So this is a trophy. This is a photo. This is a picture of a nephew. This is an elephant. This is a phone. This is a phrase. A phrase is something that you say. This says, once upon a time. So that is a phrase that comes at the beginning of a story. This is a graph, and this is a dolphin. So my turn, your turn. Trophy, photo, nephew, elephant, phone, phrase, graph, dolphin. When you are done dragging and dropping the pictures, press the X and then press the blue turn-in button.